Hi, in this video we learn how to calculate an expiry date in Excel using the EDATE function. Explanation of the data structure. The first column, ID, a unique identifier for each fixed asset. The second column, column B, fixed asset name, the name or description of the fixed asset. Column C, entry date, the date when the fixed asset was acquired or entered the inventory. Column D, validity months, the validity period of the fixed asset in months. And the last column, column E, expire date, the date when the validity of the fixed asset expires, calculated automatically based on the entry date on validity. Now, let's begin by populating column E with the expire date using the formula EDATE. Equal EDATE, press Tab or Enter key. Syntax for this function. Start date, click on the first date there, comma, and click month, click on this cell and press enter. Click and double click here. Keep it simple. Thank you for watching and don't forget, please like and subscribe for this channel for more tutorials. My name is Alex and see you in the next video. Bye.